is an issue of all our people, of Tanata Whenua Katoa, of Aotearoa. And we're going to be changing the world, what we're doing here. We're actually encouraging people over in Hawaii, over in Australia. So know what you're doing here tonight and these days to come. In the last 3-4 years, we're making a stand for something greater than just Ihumatao, but for everything and everybody, not just in this land, but in all the countries all across the world where Indigenous people are suffering. They've been losing, they've been scrambling for crumbs. Scrums, see? No longer we're going to do that, whānau. We're going to be getting the whole loaf. We're going to be eating, whānau.
That jam.
Anyway.
Hit that jam.
Te atua te kaihana, nana ihana, te haume te ua, te haume te ua, kia tau te ranima, vie me whakarono ki te atua, tō tātou kai ana, tātou kai hana. I know the peace speaker, I know him by name. I know the peace speaker. He controls the wind and the rain. When he says peace, be still, you have to obey. I know the peace speaker, I know him by name.
Follow me, follow me. Hold the line over here.